Hey, Roger from Shades in Place, and I am in Sand City today, Sand City, Florida, doing a shutter job. It took me over an hour just to unpack everything, which shows how great this company manufactures the product as Norman Shutters. Everything's super well packed, so there's no damage. So we're going to replace those honeycomb shades here, and here in this double window in the master bedroom. We also going to do dining room shutters with arches on top. I will come back later on with the final product. Here in the guest, we also replacing the honeycombs, and keep in mind currently there's no frames and just a little seal here. We're gonna use a nice exquisite frame to go around to give a very nice luxurious look. And finally we have one for the bathroom as well. After all the installation was done, it was a long day, but it came out beautiful. Double window, single panel, so we got the most view. Divider rail, so you can open the top independent from the bottom. Single windows next to the bed. In the master bathroom, we decided on a simple honeycomb shade just to get light filtered and to filter some of the heat as well. In the dining room, we did arches, which turned out to be beautiful, compensate for all the unevenness of the arches, the drywall. Nice seal cap at the bottom. Then we have two more here, one in the guest, single window as well. And the beauty is this nice molding and a seal cap to complement. And finally, one in the bathroom. Beautiful single panel, you can open. You can see a nice finished product. And you can close. Open the bottom and the pen from the top, and vice versa. Roger Morales from Shades in Place. We dress naked windows. Thanks for watching.